My name is Prabodh Ahuja and I am a resident of Indore, and we have a company in the name of HT Engineers Private Limited. We got this NIBAV lift G Plus 2 installed last year. Basically this is needed for our elderly parents who want to go to the second floor, and we understand that it has got a lifetime warranty and we are getting proper service as and when required. Whoever comes to see the lift, they appreciate the compactness of the lift. The safety features of the lift are very important. In case the power goes, the lift comes to the next level or the ground floor. So we are very happy with the performance of the lift.